CJ talking about his chopping. Imagine when we get the real cam. When you hear them scats and Hellcats, get out the way, bitch. Mozzie let me slide the cat, I told him I'ma break it. Launch control in the track, hawk feel like a spaceship. Drop my second mirror at 21, now I ain't basic. Niggas mad, they talk behind my back, they better face it. Grinding every day until a nigga really make it. Caught us up in traffic, 12 thought that we was racing. 12 thought they had us cause the whips, we was driving fast. Rest in peace Tavy, my little bro, he always did the dash. Quick to put my money in the bank, ain't never had to fly. I don't even need the gang around me, I be acting bad. I never really drink or like the party, but the game do. Let the money change, other niggas don't let it change me. My last two was yellow, but I rapped it, they thought it came to me. When I got that call on Octavia, I'm like it's A Street. Fuck the streets up, the whole city know our names now. You was hating on me, why you in my face now? What's going on, gang? It's your boy Taz, right back with another video. Y'all can see what we got going on today. We trying to get this ZL1 fixed. The spark plugs finally came. I told y'all I was gonna hurry up and do a quick shipping on them, so we finna hop out with my boy CJ here to help me. So we just gonna see if this ain't the problem, y'all. I'm gonna get all this on film, how I've been, so y'all can know what's going on. And that's CJ in the Kia. Oh shit.
Have you opened them yet?
Yeah, hell yeah, I opened one of them. Yeah, they're the same exact ones. Let me see. Yeah. Hopefully this say the problem, man. The thing is, something made it do that, you feel me? Yeah. That's the whole fucked up thing. That shit is crazy.
We'll find out once we pull it back out.
Yeah, I told dog, let me get an oil change. He the manager there. I know I can hurry up and get in there if he there today. I miss my shit, bro. I seen a black ZL1 yesterday. Yeah, I'm like, damn, it sounded so good. I'm sick. Like, I just want to drive my car. I seen Josh driving his shit yesterday. Where the thing at?
At the crib. I got some suspension parts I got put on it.
Oh yeah, I did see that. Y'all can see all of the new ones out. This whole left side done. Shout out to my boy CJ. He already got this side plugged up and everything, so y'all can see this whole left side done. We just gotta get that right side, but I'm about to plug this again so it can be some more light here. It's really dark. You see, I couldn't even find a second to last one. I ain't gonna lie, Chevy is tweaking with these damn plugs, bro. Like, they are tucked.
Alrighty.
The last one. This lamp is here for nothing. I don't know where I had it last time. Over with CJ the mechanic. Hopefully that lamp don't fall. If it do, the light gonna pop. Damn, I miss driving my car, man. It's been like, been there a week, like 5 days. Looking too good to be sitting in here on this nice day. I really hope that it's really just the spark plugs or something small, because if not, it's probably gonna be something serious. So let's pray it ain't nothing serious, and let's hope it's just the spark plugs. Huh? The light almost fell? Yeah, I said that, bro. I said the light gonna fuck around and pop if it fall. It almost did the first time. Alright, for sure. So he just got the last one in. He just got to tighten it up. So, well, after we get him in, you want to like unplug the battery and plug it back up first?
Yeah, I got to put the coolant back into.
Oh yeah, I didn't even think about that. We do got to put that coolant tank back in. Yeah, I'm telling you, I don't got none of the tools that you got to do this, bro. I wouldn't have had nothing to gap these with. Nothing. On the last step, or the second to the last step, once we put a battery out, refilling the coolant.
Oh, I see it now.
You said the what?
No, I see it now. I couldn't find where the fucking
And if y'all watched the last video, y'all can see that I was saying only one spark plug was messed up. So hopefully With us replacing them, that solved the problem. Like I said, ain't nothing else wrong. I mean, we really didn't check the coils like that. On the outside they look good, but I know if this don't work, it could be the coil packs, it could be a valve spring, it could be something we don't know. So hopefully we figure out. We just put the coolant in here. Let me show y'all. Halfway on the bottom one. Top one is all the way filled. So what you want to do? You want to redo the battery, or you want to say fuck it and just start it?
It should be we can do the battery.
All we gotta do is unplug it and just plug it back in.
Where's your thing at?
It's in the back here in a weirder spot.
It's not, or right here.
What I want you to do is I want you to start it for me, because I'm scared, bro. I'm scared.
If it started knocking or something, tell me to turn it off.
Oh my goodness, man. Damn, CJ. It's like we both scared. So we did, hold on. So we did replace the battery, y'all. We did everything. Now we finna start it up, y'all. Let's pray. It ain't missing no more. Let's pray it don't stutter. It don't even want to start. It's dead? The battery?
Yeah.
I don't see how it'd be dead. Probably because we ain't connect the battery right? Yeah, because like now the truck not even popping. The battery was fine. The engine light not on no more.
Is it idling good?
It sounds normal.
I don't know.
Yeah, obviously I'll be able to feel it. I missed the startup because I turned the camera off.
I don't know why would it start.
Probably because the battery. All the signs off, y'all. It sounds like it's running normal.
It's chopping.
That's how it is, the stock cam, bro. That bitch is loud. CJ talking about it's chopping. Imagine when we get the real cam. Damn. It's running normal, bro. We back. Finally back. Oh my God, I'm about to, you want to reverse it for me? Reverse it for me, I want to get it on video. Go straight a little bit. Where you go left? Yep, you should be good now. She's almost scraped up the side skirts. Wait. It's like so tight. Yeah. You can keep going. CJ don't know how to drive a Camaro, y'all. He can't even park it. It feels so good to see my car back out the garage, y'all. Oh my God. Should have him drive it up the street and tell me, but he wouldn't really know. There is. I was gonna tell you to drive it for me and see, but you wouldn't even really notice, cause yeah, you don't really know. I'm gonna drive it like, yeah, I'm gonna drive that up the street and come right back to see. Yeah, man, I don't feel nothing funny, y'all. I don't hear nothing. We're gonna take it up the street just to see if everything back right, man. Shout out to CJ, man. He done fixed helped me fix the ZL1, man. Let's see if she driving normal or if she messed up. Oh, yeah. I do not understand. I haven't driven my car in like days, bro. Like I said, almost been a week. I just want to make sure she not driving funny. She driving the same. When we turned the car on at first, no engine light was on, no axle, no stability control, none of that was on, y'all. So y'all can see whatever we did helped. I just want to really just feel it and see how it feels. Missed the startup because when we first tried to start it up, it didn't start, like the battery was dead. So I cut the camera because I was gonna like try to, you know, disconnect the battery again. CJ started to start the car and it ended up turning on, so I ended up missing the startup, y'all. It was like the first startup in days. Yeah, she's driving normal, man. I don't feel nothing. I don't hear nothing. Boy Josh Miro out there. I don't know if y'all heard that girl, but she said, "Oh my God, look at that thing." It's funny because me and Kurt got somebody literally saying that same exact thing one day. Driving normal, man. I definitely miss my car, y'all. I miss it so much. Look like these kids like it too. So she doing good on the shifts, man. It sounds so good. The supercharger wine. Yeah, it's running straight for real. Bitch, we are back. Oh, push that bitch right. Just
I hear your lifters and all that, but you definitely need a run.
Yeah, that'll be able to see if there's some weird shit going on still.
Look at the oil.
Yeah. The shit as of now, we got it running though.
Pretty good, shit.
It's so good to be back, man. It was like a whole week. Hold on, you gotta give me some though, CJ, on camera. My boy definitely came in clutch. Without you, I would've been fucked. I would've still been down. Everything is running fine. But we gotta do one more thing before we wrap this video up, y'all. To be smart and really to do what I already said I wanna do is I'm gonna go get an oil change, y'all. Just to check, man, just to see if it was a real reason why that happened, you know, out the blue. And really, you know, just to get some new oil, some fresh oil, because I do need my oil change, y'all. Pulling up to my boy Michael's shop, man. He is the manager here. Shout out to him. Boy, getting me in here for the best price only. If y'all need an oil change in my hometown, hit me up or go to Valvoline. He's trying to guide me in here. I don't want to scrape. We just want to make sure that she's safe, man. Just for the future, y'all. You never know. Want me to cut her off? Yeah, we're gonna hop out, see what's going on. I'm gonna cut the camera back on as soon as I see what's going on. Yeah. She looking real good under them lights in here, man. But yeah, so one thing my boy Mike was just telling me, he was saying there wasn't no oil on the stick, y'all. So basically it's just running dry, and he was telling me the more I race, the more I should come in here and get it checked. And I was just saying that, y'all. I was just telling myself I'm real shitty with my maintenance, y'all. I don't know why. I just be on some lazy shit, y'all. I don't never check on my car. I never check, you know, to make sure everything is up to date. But from now on, since shit like this is happening, y'all, I got to, you know, I gotta be more on my maintenance. I gotta get my car looked at. I'm glad I got my boy Michael at the shop, because like I told y'all, he is the manager. He said he suggests that I come back after each race just to make sure my oil and everything like that is fine. So huge shout out to him one more time, man. If it was another shop, they probably would have never told me, and they definitely wouldn't have said I can always come I'm here after a race. So one more time, shout out to my boy Michael, man. That is Josh's brother, the one that got the black SS. So if y'all don't know, now y'all know. But yeah, man, we just had to come get her checked up. Y'all see, we got her finally back running, man. We got to keep that oil in her so we don't blow that motor. She looking so good under there, y'all. I might have to get a picture or a thumbnail here. Cause y'all, that start up. I don't know if it will with the hood. I'm gonna have to on the inside. Yep. You scared? I scared him? Damn. I ain't even see it. I scared the people over there. For sure. Damn, I wish I would have got that on video. Yeah, she's starting up fine, man. She's been running perfect ever since we got her back, man.
Right on full, still look nice and clean. I didn't see no shavings on her coming out.
For sure, for sure. So it look like we fine. No shavings, nothing crazy. I just wanted to make sure, bro, because that had me scared, I'm not gonna lie. So y'all can see it ain't no shavings in there, nothing wrong. Perfect amount of oil in there now, so hopefully that make her run even better, y'all. That last little start up before we get up out of here. Probably scared them again. I hope he don't try to tell me to burn it up. Let me go ahead and reset my oil. I'm trying to see how I reset my oil.
You don't know how to do it?
I forgot how to do it.
So go into your settings. You'll go up. That's your display. Go to that eye.
Yeah.
And it should be down in there.
See, then I'm scared to light her up, man. I just brought her back to life.
Yeah, alright.
I might do a little something. That's all I got. He asked for it, I had to. Yeah, I had to, man. I wasn't gonna do it, like I said, because I just brought her back to life. I ain't even want to beat on her, get aggressive with her or nothing. But my boy got me in there quick. He got it done for the best price, so it was only right, y'all. I had to do it for him one time. I don't know if I messed the tire stickers up or not, but Mike, you better send me that video so I can add it onto this video right here. I think I'm gonna go pull up on Dom and him at the wash. CJ said he wanted to grab his car. Dom was asking to go to the wash, so I'm gonna hit all of them up and I'm gonna see what they doing. And I'm gonna let y'all know. If not, then I'm gonna just wrap this video up right here.